Jen Crack, welcome back. Taché, Hain a Clug. It's 1 o'clock. We learned that as part of our free Beginners Ulster Irish course, and I'm here continuing that lesson today so that we can learn how to say minutes past. If you don't have time to watch it, hit the wee bookmark and come back. These videos are going to be here on this playlist, hopefully forever, for free on TikTok. I keep them all to just 5 minutes or so if you do a video or two a day, that's perfect. You'll learn Irish in no time. So today's lesson, we're going to learn minutes past. Tá sé a chuig in dhé hain. Tá sé a chuig in dhé a hain. It is 1:05. We haven't had to use the a clug at the end because it's not 1 o'clock. So we're only using that for the hour. Tá sé jai in dhé a hain. It is 1:10. Tá sé carú. Tá sé carú in dhé hain. It's 1:15. Tá sé fiche in dhé a hain. It's 1:20. Tá sé fiche a chuig in dhé a hain. It is 1:25. Tá sé fiche cu. Tá sé fiche a chuig in dhé a hain. It's 1:25. The next one for half is a bit of a tongue twister. It's a slender L and I haven't quite got my tongue in the right spot for it yet. So it sounds sort of like tá sé le in dhé hain. Tá sé le in dhé hain. It's 1:30. Or it's 1:30 to be exact. Tá sé fiche a chuig go dtí a dó. Tá sé fiche a chuig go dtí a dó. It is 1:25. Tá sé fiche go dtí a dó. It is 1:20. Tá sé cathrú go dtí a dó. It's 1:45. Tá sé jai go dtí a dó. It's 10:02. Tá sé chuig go dtí a dó. It's 5:02. This is why it was really important that we learn the numbers first. And we've already learned how to say you're going somewhere. So you're going to go dtí. But I've got just a couple of the other quick ones here. Tá sé hór a bheith dó a clug. Tá sé hór a bheith a dó a clug. It's almost 2 o'clock. Tá sé lua. Tá sé lua. It's early. Tá sé mal. Tá sé mal. It's late. Agus tá sé a géirí mal. And it's getting late. I think I'll do this now for the time. Thanks as always. Slán.